Is this your new, do-it-yourself, hyperbaric chamber kit you bought?
That it is, my dear.
Did we just become best friends?
Maybe. Let's bolt this thing together and find out.
I love it when you talk like that.
Now. Where's the old socket wrench thingy I had doodling around here?
Right here, Bob Villa.
Thanks a bunch. I'll just give these bolts a good tightening.
You never cease to amaze me.
There. All finished.
It's kind of 2001 Space Odyssey thing going on. You want to take me for a spin?
I thought you'd never ask.
No way. A window?
Yep.
My God, look at the view. All right, Mr. Sulu? Ahead 1/4 impulse power.
Clear all moorings.
Wow, this thing can pressurize quickly.
We just passed 2 atmospheres.
This is like the Corvette of hyperbaric oxygen chambers.
That's right, babe. Buckle up and pop your ears.
Bob down the street wanted to take me round the block in a zip-up balloon bag. He says it gets 0.3 above normal atmosphere. Kamatayayo.
Oh, poor Bob.
I know. I didn't have the heart to tell him you went and got a hard chamber. I mean, here we are headed for 3 atmospheres, and there's Bob, up at the shallow end with all the diaper babies. He's such a dick.
Hey, he's not Dick. He's Bob. And it sounds like somebody might be fighting a latent attraction.
Oh hell no. Not him. He thinks he can impress me with his zip-up bags and fancy 10L oxygen concentrators.
We made it. All the way to 3ATA.
Can we go higher?
Alright, you wanna dance with the devil?
Oh my gosh, really? I am so putting out to you.
What about Bob?
What about him?
34 psi. Running with the big dogs. What was that?
I don't know, must be all those PSIs floating around in here.
Oh, Kay, I think we'd better decompress this situation.
We're coming right down. Well, that's it for today's demonstration, folks. Stay tuned for more to come. And if you wanna run with the big dogs, check the link below.